Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone microphone not working. So guys, if you are using iPhone and your microphone is not working properly, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to clean your microphone on your phone with a toothpick or toothbrush, and guys after cleaning maybe your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of privacy and security. So guys simply you need to click on it, and after this here is the option of microphone. So guys simply you need to click on it, and guys you need to turn on all of these apps. So guys if anyone turn off, then guys you need to turn on it, and guys after turning on you need to go back. And guys after this, if your microphone is not working for specific app, then guys simply you need to open that app. So guys, for example, I want to open this app like Facebook. So guys simply you need to click on it, and guys after this here you need to turn on your microphone. So guys I can't find here microphone. So guys for example I want to open my messenger, and guys here I can't see also, and guys like WhatsApp. So guys simply you need to open your WhatsApp, and guys now you can see here is the option of microphone. So guys simply you need to turn on this, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys if still not fix your problem, you need to scroll it down, and guys click on general, and guys after this you need to transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset, and click on reset all settings, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. And the last method is you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys simple you need to click on software update and make sure that your iPhone is up to date to latest iOS version. So guys if you have any kind of update like this, so guys simply you need to click on update now, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe.